Welcome back. Well, another stormy afternoon. This drone shot taken a little bit earlier when the clouds are starting to look threatening. So let's take a look at that full screen and we'll get over to the weather wall. Again, bases of the clouds began to drop. The cloud got cloudy out there, and now we have yet another thunderstorm complex moving on through. We see the I-10 corridor and I-49 area. So busy on the roadways and threatening off to the north and west. So let's kick it upstairs. Look at the satellite imagery. This is an 18-hour loop, and check it out. As expected, I said last night, if storms get going up towards central eastern Oklahoma, they'll probably be working their way southward toward Acadiana. Even though the models were going for a 10 to 15% chance of rain, we went 60%, and we're feeling a lot better about that right now because we are seeing showers and storms across the area and very busy radars this afternoon. Now, we do have a couple of things to talk about. One, we have a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for a good part of Acadiana. Everybody shaded in the yellow here. That's through 8 o'clock tonight, and that severe thunderstorm watch continues off to the north and east. Again, flood watches off across central Louisiana, northwestern Louisiana, farther north and west. More severe weather threat developing late today up here, which could impact us maybe a little bit earlier tomorrow. We'll see how it plays out. Let's take a look at these strong storms that are working their way southward. And we'll take a look at how the storm tracking is working right now. And mostly we're talking about the possibility of some small hail. We're seeing that in some of these cells. But yeah, really pea-sized hail. Showing a little rotation with this cell, but not much of a mesocyclone. And let's check out this one that's out toward the basin. Again, pea-sized hail at worst. But we do have some warnings going at this hour. So let's clear the board here. And we do have flood warnings across central Louisiana, northeastern portions and eastern portions of northern and eastern portions of Evangeline Parish, and then into northern St. Landry up through Avoyelles Parish. Severe thunderstorm warnings to the east, and even a couple of tornado warnings going over by the Hammond area, north of Hammond. And in fact, you can see a couple of those strong cells showing up right here, a squall line. And we'll get over to, let's just take a look at, we'll get in a little bit closer and take a look at some of the velocities here just to kind of show you where the strongest winds are. And primarily behind this storm, we've been seeing some wind gusts in the 40-50 mile per hour range, and again, not showing as much as we had earlier. So these storms have certainly been weakening, but we were looking at 60s pushing 70 mile per hour winds right around 4 o'clock this afternoon when we did an update for you on the air, and now it's looking a little bit better, but it's still pretty darn stormy across the area. So let's just bring it back to the radar here again, just show you the heaviest storms from portions of Acadia Parish. Torrential downpours, not showing a whole lot of lightning. You see these little dots? These are the cloud-to-ground lightning shots. Pouring Breaux Bridge, Henderson. These areas don't need any more rain, and things are slowing down. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see flood warnings developing for maybe northern Lafayette Parish, portions of St. Landry into upper St. Martin, especially after all the rain that we had here this weekend. Any additional rainfall will be problematic. Now, these storms will last a couple of hours more, then should decrease in intensity. Then we move into tomorrow. We're hashed in for a marginal risk of severe storms. Once again, we could see a repeat, but hard to tell. Notice here's the HRRR. I'm going to show you both models. The HRRR model just drops the storms and pushes everything off to the east, but we are seeing a weakening trend as we head through the overnight hours quiet. But then here comes the next impulse. That could get here tomorrow morning. It's not showing a lot of storms, but right now we can't go much higher than 40% for your storms for tomorrow. And again, the graph model showing much the same, just having a hard time resolving best rain chances. But it looks like after Wednesday, drier air should be moving in, more stable air, and we're going to see quieter conditions Thursday into the weekend. As for rainfall, tough call. Some folks don't get a whole lot. Others will get 2 to 4 inches of rain, if not more, especially where we're seeing the heavier rains going on right now. So as we move into tomorrow, a quiet start to the day, some sunshine like today, rain chances ramping up. For now, we'll just go 40%, but I think that number may go up if it goes anywhere at all. But thereafter, toning down the rain chances for Thursday, Friday. That means the temperature's getting hotter, pushing into the mid-90s, overnight lows in the mid-70s. And then next week, it looks like we'll resume at least some sort of scattered shower and thunderstorm program once again. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up in just a little bit.